Great comeback in the end. On the first half performance, did the 3 games in the week sort of give that?
Yeah, I mean it's difficult having 3 games in a week, but you know that's the fixture schedule, and we have to deal with it. It took us a while to get going. I felt, and you know they were lively and they pressed us, and they made it difficult for us and created a few chances. So it wasn't easy in the first half, and we had a few that were off it. So to get back in the second half was very pleasing. And you know, testament to the lads really. Thought that they dug in the end. They had to physically, mentally, to get the job done.
We spoke on Tuesday how physical these are. Do you think that kind of helped them in the first half?
Yeah, I mean, you know, teams do put it on us a little bit, and we have to stand up and be counted. That, you know, that's the side of football that we have to do well. And then when we do get the ball, we can let our structure and play and passing and quality get us chances. We didn't do that in the first half, and you know we had to stand up and be counted on several occasions. You know, I thought Sam Rickett and Nathan at the back were very good. Josh Stevens very good, but it just wasn't happening up front. So you know, we made a few changes and we managed to get back into the game.
Yeah. We always talk about our squad. So the 2 players that you brought in, especially Ollie and Caden, they made an impact in the second half.
Yeah, I've just said to everyone in there, you know, I've said it all season really, that everyone has contributed and everyone has had moments over the season, and we're going to need people to have them tonight. People had them tonight. Ollie, for example, with a great goal, Caden with the cross. You know, and next week it'll be somebody different. You know, that's the reason we've got the squad, and that's the quality we have in the lads, and you know the belief we have in each other.
I feel that moment of brilliance by Jordan sort of give us that push to go on and get that winner. Yeah,
it's a great strike, isn't it? Fantastic strike. You know, he's got that in him. You know, he drove us forward today on many occasions. You know, and demanded from the lads, which is what you want. And you know, I was very pleased with him stepping up and being captain.
Well, next Friday we've got a team that are in that relegation. Well, do you expect a physical battle from them as well?
Yeah, I expect everyone to, you know, come and give us a good game. You know, it's that stage of the season where everyone's either fighting for their lives or wanting to get as many points as they can. So, you know, there's no easy games in the amount of games we've got left. We're aware of that. And all we can do is focus on ourselves and make sure that, you know, we get our results and our 3 points and then go forward and see what happens.
Okay, well done.
Thank you.